Oh, fuck that shit. I'm definitely going to that stage. Alright, Mario, what do you have to say about this shit? And, these little guys are gonna get stepped on. That's the thing to do. Taste the agony of defeat. Get some coin blocks while we're at it. Got a problem with that? I don't want that flower though. Don't need it. Mario's good enough when he's super. Oh, that's how it's gonna be, huh? I got a burp for you. Don't start me back at the beginning. What kind of crap is that? Yeah, you keep going that way. To your doom. Now I could get the beanstalk, but I'm not going to because I feel like showing off World 4 too. Boobies, boobies, boobies. Yeah, that's a good point, Gary. Didn't notice that before. Maybe I should burp and it'll make things better. Nope, I'm not going down there. You can go down there, I'm not going to. Hop over this little plant right here. Oh no. Deceitful. And no, I don't need the warp zone either. Oh shit. Got an 800 on the flag.